ka jingbun ki baklan bat mensaw na ka jingwan syllad ki bor ka mariang ha rilum Garo kala pelong yo menteri ketenat revenue and disaster management ba kermen shila ban penpau ba ka dei ka sien ka baningkong kum menteri ketenat ban saki ba kum kani ka jingja ba sngopsi kan wan syllad ya kathan habakran bat kilat batai kubor menteri ule thu bahadu menta kiladan palat arspa teli kishnong kibla shakta bat kumbalai spa tam kilong yeng kibla julor bat khat san ngot pan kibla du no yala ka jingem.
Yes, actually, I have the report till yesterday 9 p.m. We have received a report. The incident happened in Garo Hills region. First of all, actually, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for taking this initiative to go and visit all the site that has been affected by this heavy rainfall, flood, and landslide. So he's so kind, and he go personally, and I even thank the local representative of those areas because they have worked tirelessly to give their efforts to retrieve back the bodies of those who have lost their life. So I really thank to all the person involved in this situation. So based on that visit of the chief minister and based on the visit of our officers from our department, and then we have collected the information which I have it with me, so I would like to present it here. So it's really sad to see that this is on my tenure I've seen that this maybe I can say is one of the worst situation that we face in Garo Hills region. We have seen flood from time to time. Every year we have witnessed that. But loss of life, this time it rise up to 15 number of loss of life. So it's really sad to see this number, but there's nothing can be done by us. But we hope that the deceased family, so with the collaboration of the government and all the departments concerned, whatever support we can, we are trying to reach them. So we have here in West Garo Hills district, number of village affected, we have 132 numbers, where house damage is 93. Out of that, we even have loss of life in West Garo Hills area. 5 numbers of person who lost their life, and 3 are injured. In South Garo Hills, 79 number of villages affected, 244 house damage, 7 lost their life. And in East Garo Hills, 12 number of village affected, 1 house damage, and then we lost 3 lives, and where another 3 is injured. In North Garo Hills, 3 village affected. In South West Garo Hills, 15 village affected and 8 house damage. Eastern West, 4 village affected. In East Khasi Hills, we have 1 village affected and then 1 house damage. That is where a total number of house damage we have 204. Total number of village affected is 246 and house damage 347 and 15 life loss. Total number of 15, and then we have 6 injured. That is the report I have with me as of now, and we do have a loss of this animals and all, but that exact number I don't have it with me. But there are few affected when it comes to life of the animals, and camp set up in different areas, especially in South Garo Hills. There's 1 relief camp, and in West Garo Hills district we have 68 camp. So these are the camp has been set up in those area, the affected area. And I do have the names of this person who lost their life. So we have Shrimati late Santa and Marak. She's 57 years old from Koinabui village, district West Garo Hills. and Shri late Mirdo P. Marak, 5 years old, from Sorok Para, West Garo Hills. Srimati late Sarika M. Marak, 18 years old, from Kharong Gray, West Garo Hills. Shri late Bijoy S. Sangma, 43 years old, from Sangkon Songgital, from West Garo Hills. Shri late Wian Chiangado R. Marak, 13 years old, from the same village. And late Srimati Silji R. Marak, she is a mother of 60 years old. Late Marian R. Marak, 39 years old. Shri late Sama N. Sangma, 50 years old. And we lost late Changbe R. Marak, she is a granddaughter who is 22 years old. And late Deshang R. Marak, who is the grandson, 14 years old. And late Silbera R. Marak, she is the granddaughter. And then late Dimse R. Marak, the great granddaughter, and she is 1.5 years, 1 years and 5 months. All of these they are from Atiasia Songmong village from South Garo Hills district. And we even lost Shri late Tangseng R. Marak, 28 years old, from Tiba Para Dalu, West Garo Hills. And we even lost late Imi Marak, 40 years old, and late Manasse Marak, 14 years old. They are from West Garo Hills district. These are the 15 persons who lost their life in this situation.